In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this person is not available on Messenger error. If you're getting this message, don't worry, I will explain why it happens and how to fix it. First, the most common reason is that the person may have blocked you on Facebook or Messenger. If that's the case, you won't be able to message them unless they unblock you. Another reason could be that the user deactivated or deleted their Facebook account. If their account is gone, Messenger won't let you contact them. To check that, you can use any other Facebook account, or you can use the Facebook account of your friends or family. Search for the username. If their name appears, that means they have blocked you. In case their name does not appear, that means they might have deactivated their account. In that case, you'll need to wait until they reactivate their account. Next, you'll need to update your Messenger. For that, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Messenger. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be resolved. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, you can completely delete Messenger from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this and head over to your Messenger app. Press and hold on the app, click on the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Messenger and then install it. Lastly, what you can do is launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website facebook.com/messages, log into your account. If it works on the web but not the app, the issue is within the Messenger app. And that's it. That's how you fix this person is unavailable on Messenger error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.